Laser foil has been a staple in the laser engraving world for years, yet its full potential remains underappreciated. Unlike traditional paint fill, laser foil is a laser-safe color laminate made from thin polyester Mylar tape. This durable material adds a stunning metallic luster to any laser engraving project, and its permanent adhesive bonds seamlessly to smooth surfaces, allowing the material to be engraved, marked, or cut to produce intricate metallic effects quickly and effortlessly. In this video, I will demystify laser foil and show you how versatile it can be. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, laser foil can transform your laser graphics with astonishing detail, with dazzling metallic finishes.
Hi there, I'm Laser Dave. Many people think creating metallic color effects with a laser system is complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Today, I'm excited to show you just how easy it can be. Using laser foil and your Trotec laser, we'll create stunning metallic effects together. Let's dive in and unleash some creativity.
Laser foil comes in various colors in tape-like rolls. To order this material, scan this code or see the link below. Laser foil can be laser processed onto any flat surface, transforming it with a unique metallic look. To use it, trim off a piece of the foil, peel the backing, and apply it to any smooth surface material using a squeegee. This first project will use 2 foil colors on a piece of exotic leopardwood, starting with the silver color. Place the foiled sheet into the laser and tape the edges so the sheet cannot be moved. Then focus the laser and close the laser lid. Here is the design file that will be laser processed. I will use the blue line to kiss cut, but just the foil so that another color can be added. Then the black will be engraved and the red will cut through the foil and the wood. Open the Ruby Laser software. Import or drag in this design file and place it over the material using the overhead camera or the red pointer. Select the material parameter, then turn off the laser parameters for the colors black and red so that only the blue setting is used, and then push to the laser. Push start on the laser and kiss cut the blue color into the foil with the laser. Open the laser and use some tweezers to peel up the foil where the laser kiss cut. This is why the sheet was taped down to start. Once the foil is removed, place another sheet of foil, this time metallic green, over the opening. Close the laser and rerun the same kiss cut file a second time. Open the laser again and then remove any excess foil around the cut. Open Ruby again. Turn on the black engraving setting and the red cut setting for this material. Turn off the blue color and push the file to the laser. Push start and laser process this file. In this example, this exotic leopardwood is engraved with a Speedy 360 80-watt laser at 100% power, 40% speed, and 500 dpi. Once the engraving is complete, the laser will cut the red line at 100% power, 0.75% speed, and 1000 Hz. When finished, open the laser and remove it for the next steps. To clean the residue, a damp cloth can catch on the foil and peel it off, so use a soft bristle brush and water to gently brush the surface until any wood smoke residue has been removed. Next, you can peel away any portion of the foil to produce a contrast effect, showcasing the wood edge. In this example, 4 tones are produced with 2 different colors of metallic foil, in addition to the engraved wood and the original wood surface. Check out that dazzling shine. This finished sample video showcases the incredible impact of laser foil. It elevates your engraving and cutting to a new level, creating an eye-catching result that truly stands out. It is not necessary, but if the sample needs to be more durable, it is recommended that the finished surface be sprayed with a clear coating. This will seal the wood and help bond the laser foil for a more durable result. The next project will use a purple reflective acrylic mirror with green laser foil. After applying the green foil to the mirror, place the foil-coated mirror into the laser and focus. This example will kiss cut the laser foil onto this mirror with this simple yet elegant graphic, kiss cutting only the blue color of this flower through the laser foil into this purple mirror using the Speedy 360 80-watt laser, cutting the foil at 4% power, 5% speed, and 5000 Hz. Once the laser cutting is complete, carefully remove the piece from the laser and peel away all the excess foil. Be sure to wear gloves to avoid fingerprints and preserve the pristine finish. As you unveil the stunning reflective results, you'll see the true beauty of this technique. The simple kiss-cut surface foil on a mirror creates a remarkable drop shadow effect, enhancing the light reflecting and eye-catching qualities. The final product catches the light beautifully, producing an amazing, dazzling effect that is sure to impress. This final project inlays metallic laser foil into an engraving. The design file should include a fill and a separate outline color. In this example, we use a black fill, blue outline, and red cut line, as shown in the design. Place a sheet of engravable material into the laser without foil, tape it down, and position the graphic over the material using the red pointer or the overhead camera. This example will first be laser engraved by deselecting the red cut line and the blue outline so that only the black color is engraved. Then, push the file to the laser. Start the laser and engrave the black color. This example will use a clean, finished, clear-coated cherrywood. Open the laser and wipe the smoke residue from the wood surface when finished. Next, take some laser foil and place it over the engraving using a squeegee to flatten it. Return to the Ruby software, turn off the black engraving color, turn on the blue outline and red cut line on this example, and send it to the laser. Laser kiss cut the foil at 4% power, 5% speed, and 5000 Hz. Make certain that the air assist is turned off for this color in this process. Otherwise, any air pressure will displace the cut foil. Then, the laser will finish by cutting the red outline through this 5mm cherrywood at 100% power, 0.5% speed, and 1000 Hz with the air assist turned on. Open the laser and gently press the kiss-cut foil down into the engraved pockets that are precisely located under the newly cut foil. Now remove all of the surface foil, or even remove any of the inlay foil to produce any desired effect you choose. There will be some grain texture under the foil, and it is recommended to spray the surface with a clear coating to help keep everything in place after peeling. This process will produce a subsurface inlaid foiled effect into any material where engraving depth is possible. In addition, this same process can be produced with a multicolor metallic inlaid look by simply using more foil colors. This process can also be applied to existing products beyond basic sheet stock. For example, this natural leather-bound journal has a sheet of gold laser foil applied to its cover. Engrave the graphic, clean any residue with a wet brush, and then peel away the excess foil to reveal a stunning metallic effect on the engraved leather. This technique effortlessly adds a fantastic metallic finish to any smooth surface product. With more colors, you can achieve exciting new looks much faster, creating effects that are simply unparalleled. This process is faster than traditional paint fill, as it only requires applying foil in different colors. For an even more durable and three-dimensional look, apply clear UV epoxy over the foil as a dome effect and cure it. This will elevate the metallic laser foil effect to an entirely new level, creating a stunning visual and tactile 3D effect with a metallic reflective shine. Laser foil delivers remarkable versatility and stunning effects, limited only by your imagination. With exceptional quality comes exceptional returns, and using laser foil with your Trotec laser machine will elevate your laser processing to another level. Explore the links below for all the design files, materials, and tools featured in this video.
If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more amazing laser projects, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.